I just booked airfare and hotels for my next Camino, and I saved almost $1,000 using points I accumulated through different loyalty programs. Here, I'll tell you how you can do the same, and also how you can stack those rewards to get maximum benefit. Here we go. Let's start with the best credit card in the market for traveling, Chase Sapphire Preferred. Yes, it has a $95 annual fee, but it is so worth it. And if you don't have it yet, you can get one with an intro offer of up to 100,000 free points. Just look for the offers. I pay for everything with this card: food, transportation, gyms. So of course, I've racked up over 100,000 points with that card alone. So here's how I paid for my Camino airfare and hotels. First, I went to Expedia and bought my Delta flight to Madrid using my Chase Sapphire card. I did not use points for this purchase, but I did stack rewards. I got points on my credit card, I got One Key Cash and Trip Elements on Expedia, and I got points on my Delta Sky Miles account. Second, I need to fly from Madrid to Vigo, where I'll start my Camino Portugues. Because I have lots of points with Iberia's Avios program, I purchased a one-way ticket with points. I also bought the return ticket from Santiago de Compostela to Madrid with Avios points. 2 free flights. So now, let's talk about lodging. I'm going to be staying in some fancy hotels on the Camino. How very turigrina of myself, right? I know. But why wouldn't I if I can do it for free? Okay, so first, I went to the Chase Ultimate Rewards website to see which hotels were located near the Camino. There were plenty, and they were going for really attractive rates, but it gets better. If you choose a hotel that's listed under Points Boost, your points are redeemed at 1.25 times their value, which means you save even more. And by selecting Points Boost, you get points not only on your Chase Sapphire card, you also get points for the hotel loyalty program. So before you pay for the hotel with points, make sure you sign up for the hotel's loyalty programs first. They're free. Now I'm going to sign off because I am going to Puerto Rico tomorrow and I still need to pack. Bye.